family. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching me from. Guys, today is not all about turning of dresses. Today is all about shoes. Giving you an idea on how to change your shoe to another beautiful shoe. Are we ready? Are we ready? Okay, guys, let's jump into the video. Yes, sir. So guys, here is the shoe. Today I just want to turn this particular shoe, this one that have elastic here. See, you can see the shoes. I'm just doing this video just for you to have an idea that even your bracelet that you have in your hand, you can use it to turn to give your shoes or give your clothes another new design. Even your earrings. This is just a clip, children clip that you can get in Chinese store. This is it. It's just a clip, hair clip. Hair clip. As you can see, I bought this hair clip for my kids, and I said, it's like I can use this hair clip to do another new design for clothes or shoe. Even this earring. This is a earring, normal earring that you put on your ear. You understand? So I said, let me just give it a try. And I gave it a try, and it came to pass, and it was so, it was really beautiful. So that's why I brought the video. So let me share the idea with every one of you. That you, even if you have one shoe, two shoe, 100 shoe, and you are tired of it, you want to dash it out, or you just want to throw it away. No. You can use the hair clip on your hair to turn the shoe to another design. You can use another thing. This video is just all about idea. There's no tailor, there is no trend, there's no needle. No. It's just this thing that we are going to be using. So guys, let's get started now. This is earring. As you can see, this is earring, normal earring that you can use. This is an elastic shoe. You can as well just paste it here. I just want to put it here. You see? Check it out. Is it not beautiful? You will be saying that, Mama, there's going to be pin here now, as you can see. Yes, there is. You can put the earrings pin and place it here. Immediately you place it here, it's not going to shock you again. Yes, you can give it a try. You see what I'm trying to say? It's not going to shock you at all. If you feel like it's still shocking you, maybe the shoe is too tight, you can as well bend it here. I don't know if you are seeing it. This is the pin. This is the pin. Then you can as well bend it. Immediately you bend it, it is finished. I don't know if you are getting what I'm trying to say. It's finished. It will not inch you on your leg or anything. Just check it out now. If I wear this shoe out now, won't you say I just bought the shoe? Where did you get this shoe? I didn't buy it. I just turned it to another one. So another idea again. I'm sorry guys. There's no one to hold the phone for me. That's the problem I'm always having. If not, I have a lot of videos to share, but person to hold the phone is very, very difficult. So guys, so I'm still going to be using another. I'm going to be using this clip now. See, and it's just hair clip. You can find any place here. I'm not talking about you must use this shoe. I'm just talking about another shoe. Maybe if you have other shoes that you want. But I'm going out today. That's the reason why I want to turn this shoe. And when I turned it, was looking so beautiful. That's the reason why I said, let me share it with my friends, my fans, my family, with everyone. In case you have any shoes that you are tired of and you just want you to transform it, you can as well use anything to transform it. So guys, this is the clip. Hair clip. And I'm going to place it here now. I don't know if you are seeing it. I'm going to be showing you the pictures and you will see if it's not going to be beautiful. This is just it. Just place it here. Oh, Barry, finish. I don't know if you are seeing the shoe. Are you looking at it? I'm going to put the picture here so that you will see the design. I'm going to dress it with a fine dress now. And I'm going to take a picture with it and see if it is not beautiful. So this is just it. And I'm just doing this video for someone to have an idea. Those with old clothes, those with old shoes, you don't have to be throwing them away. They can still be of use. You can still use them in another style, in another dress, in another thing. Like what I said before, Your bracelet on your hand, you can use it to turn to another, turn it, use it to put design on your shoe, on your clothes. I don't know if you are getting me. So this is just it. Is it not beautiful? Is it not beautiful? With your earring also. Today I'm not going to be using the earring. I'm not going to be using the design of the earring because I want to use another shoe to put this design on the earring. So I'm just going out with this shoe now, this very shoe. I'm going out with it now. That's why I say let me share the video with you guys. Please guys, I don't want this video to be long because it's just a little experiment, it's just a little idea. So guys, please leave your comment on the comment section below on what to think about the transformation of this shoe. If you have any question, you can leave it on the comment section below. If I cannot answer you there, I will do a video of it. Please guys, stay with me on this page. Very soon I will have somebody that will be taking me out, that means helping me to hold the camera so that I can bring on more and more transformation, more clothes, more shoes transformation. So till then, just have patience with me. Let me just be doing this little one that I'm still doing now until I'm able to get someone that will be able to help me to hold the camera so that I can bring out more and more idea for everyone to see. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate you guys. Please, guys, if this is your first time coming across this video, please, my guy, please, my brother, please, my sister, follow this page, like this video, and leave your comments on the comment section below. See you guys on my next video. Bye.